Hidden inside an abandoned travel trunk, this 1952 vintage camera had been forgotten for decades.
The first step was delicate dry cleaning to protect the fragile lens and original leather body. Years of dirt slowly disappeared, revealing the camera's original handcrafted finish.
Deep foam cleaning reached every tiny detail surrounding the lens and shutter mechanism.
Specialized restoration gel dissolved decades of corrosion from the camera's metal frame. Precision detailing preserved the authentic craftsmanship of this classic vintage camera. With careful polishing, the camera slowly regained its timeless vintage shine. After decades of silence, the camera shutter finally clicked once again.
What was once abandoned and forgotten has now been restored into a timeless masterpiece.